Imagine a tiny pest causing immense pain and suffering. Meet the jigger, a small parasite with a big impact. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to preventing these troublesome invaders and protecting your health. Jiggers are small, but they cause big problems. These tiny parasites, also known as sand fleas or chigo fleas, can wreak havoc on human skin. They are tiny parasites that burrow into the skin. Once they find a suitable spot, they dig in and start causing trouble. They like warm and damp places, especially feet. This is why they are commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions. Once inside, jiggers lay eggs. The female jigger swells up with eggs, causing even more discomfort and potential complications. This causes itching, swelling, and pain. Sometimes walking becomes difficult. The irritation can be so severe that it disrupts daily activities. Jiggers can affect anyone, but children are most at risk. Their playful nature and tendency to go barefoot make them prime targets. This is because they often play outside barefoot. The lack of protective footwear makes it easy for jiggers to latch on. If left untreated, jiggers can cause serious infections. These infections can lead to severe health issues if not addressed promptly. These infections can lead to amputation or even death in severe cases. The consequences of neglecting jigger infestations can be dire. That's why it's so important to prevent jiggers in the first place. Simple measures like wearing shoes and maintaining good hygiene can make a big difference. Standing strong footwear as your first defense. One of the simplest ways to prevent jiggers is by wearing shoes. Shoes act as a barrier between your feet and the ground. This stops jiggers from burrowing into your skin. Always wear shoes when you're outside, especially in areas where jiggers are common. Choose closed-toe shoes that protect your entire foot. If you don't have shoes, sandals or flip-flops offer some protection. Remember, any footwear is better than none. Make sure your shoes are in good condition. Holes or tears can allow jiggers to get in. Clean hands, healthy feet. These are the hygiene habits that matter most in our daily lives. Practicing good hygiene is essential for preventing various infections, including jiggers. Good hygiene is another important part of jigger prevention. Regularly washing your feet with soap and water helps remove dirt and potential jigger larvae. Wash your feet with soap and water every day. This simple act can make a significant difference in keeping your feet healthy. Pay close attention to the areas between your toes. These spaces can easily harbor dirt and jigger larvae if not cleaned properly. Keep your toenails short and clean. Long nails can provide a hiding place for jiggers, making it harder to keep your feet free from infestation. Jiggers can hide under long nails, so regular trimming is crucial. After washing, dry your feet completely, especially between your toes. Moisture can attract jiggers, making it easier for them to burrow into your skin. Jiggers love moisture, so keeping your feet dry makes them less likely to burrow. Always ensure your feet are thoroughly dried after washing. If you've been in an area where jiggers might be present, wash your clothes and shoes in hot water. This step is vital in killing any jiggers that may be hiding in your garments. This will kill any jiggers that may be hiding there. By following these hygiene habits, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from jigger infestations. United we stand community action for a jigger-free life. Together, we can make a significant difference in the fight against jiggers. Fighting jiggers is a team effort. It requires the collective strength and dedication of the entire community. Community awareness programs play a vital role in prevention. These events help spread crucial information about jiggers and their impact. They educate people about jiggers and how to avoid them. Knowledge is power, and by understanding the risks, we can take steps to protect ourselves. These programs often distribute shoes and hygiene supplies to those in need. Proper footwear and hygiene are essential in preventing jigger infestations. They also train healthcare workers to identify and treat jiggers. Skilled healthcare workers are crucial in managing and reducing jigger cases. Early detection and treatment are crucial. The sooner jiggers are identified, the easier it is to treat them and prevent further complications. If you suspect a jigger infestation, see a healthcare professional immediately. Timely intervention can make all the difference. They can safely remove the jiggers and prevent complications. Proper medical care ensures that the affected individuals can recover fully. By working together, we can create a healthier future free from the threat of jiggers. Our collective efforts can lead to a jigger-free community where everyone can thrive.